Hey, welcome back to another video about Reef Finance, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, latest price update of the Reef Finance, guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about your Reef Finance, guys. At this time, guys, if you look the latest price of Reef Finance, so 0.021428 USD dollar, that is the currently live and latest price of Reef Finance. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes update after Reef Finance, so now you can see here the last 60-minute update is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Reef Finance is negative. Last 1 week, last 1 day changes is completely negative, but only last 1 hour changes is positive 2.78%. That's mean, guys, that is a good news for all of you, because the last 60-minute update is positive. Other side, you can see here yesterday very petty the price decrease from a price chart. It's clear, you can see here the price very petty quick falls down over in the Reef Finance. But let me zoom it, the latest situation is again going positive in the market. You can see here, guys, they change the direction, and I'm sure, guys, that for a long time they continue this pump. Now there is a beginning possibilities, a lot of possibilities that they continue this pump, guys. And other side, if we talk about the changes update after refund, so positive 12.97% positive changes occur in the last 1 month. I mean, the changes is still positive. Changes is still positive. So that's mean that you are in a profit. Please, if you're a holder of refund, so I recommend for you to please hold. Never decide to sell. Just hold, guys. Hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Reef Finance. Thanks for watching this video.